Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of tax havens. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the top 5 tax havens you need to know about. Stay tuned to find out which countries make it to our top 5 list. First up, we're heading to the Caribbean, to a place that might be better known for its scuba diving than its financial regulations, the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands have this nifty little thing called no direct taxation. No income tax, no corporate tax, no property tax. Essentially no taxes that would make a wealthy individual or corporation sweat through their bespoke linen suit. For foreign companies and individuals, the Caymans are like a financial oasis in a desert of tax obligations. And that, my friends, is why the Caymans consistently rank as one of the top tax havens in the world. When you hear the words Swiss bank account, what comes to mind? Images of numbered accounts, shadowy figures in pinstripe suits, maybe a Bond villain stroking a fluffy white cat. For decades, Switzerland has been synonymous with banking privacy, attracting wealthy individuals and corporations seeking to shield their assets from prying eyes. But recently, the Swiss banking landscape has been undergoing something of a makeover. Despite these changes, Switzerland remains a major player in the world of offshore finance. Chapter 3. Luxembourg, little country, big tax breaks. Let's be honest, when you think of Luxembourg, tax haven might not be the first thing that springs to mind. But don't let its diminutive size fool you, because when it comes to attracting multinational corporations, with the promise of sweet, sweet tax breaks, Luxembourg is a heavyweight contender. Luxembourg has this knack for crafting tax laws that are as complex as they are beneficial, for the corporations, that is. We're talking about things like low corporate tax rates, generous tax exemptions, and a whole host of other financial incentives. Critics argue that Luxembourg's tax practices are less about fostering genuine economic activity and more about facilitating aggressive tax avoidance by multinational corporations. Chapter 4. Singapore. The Lion City roars for business and low taxes. From Europe, we journey to Asia, to the gleaming metropolis of Singapore, a global financial hub, a technological powerhouse, and yes, a tax haven. Singapore has a few tricks up its sleeve, starting with its remarkably low tax rates. We're talking about corporate tax rates that would make even the most hardened CEO crack a smile, and personal income tax rates that are equally enticing, especially for high earners. Add to that a range of tax incentives and exemptions for businesses, and you've got a recipe for a very attractive tax environment. Singapore's appeal goes beyond just low taxes, boasting a highly skilled workforce, a stable political system, and a strategic location at the heart of Southeast Asia. Chapter 5. Bermuda. Where insurance companies go to avoid storms, Bermuda operates a zero-income tax policy. That's right, zero. Now, before you pack your bags and start shopping for Bermuda shorts, it's important to note that this zero-income tax policy primarily benefits corporations, particularly those in the insurance industry. Its lax regulatory environment and favourable tax policies have made it a global hub for the reinsurance industry, with many of the world's largest insurers setting up shop on its sunny shores. Outro tax havens, paradise found for some? So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of 5 of the world's most well-known tax havens. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean to the bustling streets of Singapore, we've explored the diverse landscape of these financial havens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. See you next time.